Welcome to the forefront of innovation. This is Manufacturing X, the future of industrial technology.
This AI chip is designed for large-scale artificial intelligence computation. Its performance depends on how many transistors can be manufactured on a single silicon die. Smaller transistors reduce signal travel distance, enabling faster AI computation. For decades, this scaling trend powered the AI computing roadmap. Around 2015, transistor scaling slowed. Due to fundamental physical limits, conventional deep ultraviolet lithography reached its resolution limit. Light diffraction prevented further feature size reduction.
Multi-patterning increased cost and reduced manufacturing efficiency.
To continue AI chip scaling, the industry needed a new lithography approach. That solution is extreme ultraviolet lithography. UV light operates at a wavelength of 13.5 nanometers. This light cannot travel through air or traditional optics. Precision mirrors are the backbone of this EUV system, enabling the extreme accuracy needed for microchip manufacturing. This requirement led to the development of EUV lithography machines. This single class of machine enables the manufacturing of advanced AI chips. Without extreme ultraviolet lithography, advanced AI chips cannot be manufactured at scale.
EUV light is generated using microscopic tin droplets.
Each droplet travels at controlled high velocity. A pre-pulsed laser shapes the droplet for efficient plasma formation. A high-power laser converts tin into EUV, emitting plasma. Generating stable EUV light requires precise timing and control at extremely high repetition rates. The multi-layer mirrors reflect EUV with atomic scale precision. Surface roughness is controlled at the level of individual atoms. UV light is shaped and directed toward the wafer. At nanometer scales, even the smallest optical deviation can affect the final AI chip pattern. The AI chip pattern is carried on a reflective reticule. The reticle moves with extreme speed and precision. The silicon wafer follows in perfect synchronization.
Layer alignment is controlled within a few silicon atoms.
In character in image 1E UV lithography, total system accuracy is distributed across thousands of components. Hydrogen gas prevents tin contamination inside the system. This allows continuous operation without frequent shutdowns. Extreme ultraviolet lithography underpins the continued scaling of advanced AI hardware. Only a few fabs worldwide can operate EUV tools. Every advanced AI chip begins its physical form here. All AI chip scaling depends on this single technology. To support future AI, EUV itself must evolve. High-NA EUV enables even smaller AI. This is why NVIDIA scale chips can continue to advance. Every AI breakthrough starts at the lithography level.
This machine does not design AI chips.
It makes their physical existence possible. Atomic scale precision is not optional. It is a requirement. Without this machine, AI scaling stops. With it, the future of AI remains open. This is the impossible machine behind NVIDIA scale AI chips. And this is where every future breakthrough begins. Each new AI generation depends on continued progress in precision inspection ensures each AI chip layer meets atomic scale requirements. Thousands of sensors and controllers keep the EUV system stable in real time. Every motion is measured, corrected, and synchronized continuously. Highly trained engineers oversee the operation of these machines at all times.
From data centers to AI clusters, all advanced computation traces back to this step.
This machine does not appear dramatic while it runs. But every internal process operates at the edge of physical possibility. Atomic scale control defines the future of AI hardware. This is why NVIDIA scale AI chips can continue to evolve. This is an industrial, minimal connecting an AI roadmap to an EUV lithography system. Without this machine, AI scaling would stop. This is the impossible machine behind the future of artificial intelligence.